Welcome to 11333 here on the Icon of the Seas. Let's go take a tour. To start off with, we've got our thermostat here. It's also going to control some of the lighting in this room. Then we have this big mirror, and in this mirror it also has a ton of storage along with a mini safe. Then we have some more storage right over here. We've got this really tall, thin closet with some hangers, as well as some hooks. And then this other one that's a bit wider, along with some more hangers. And then I love how they also have some bins right down here. Right over here, they have some extra hooks. And I love all the lighting in this room. Like, look at this, they've outlined the whole door. It's really nice that they add some more lighting to this room. Here is the bed. This is a king size bed, but if you want, it can be turned into two twins. Here's the outlets right over here. This side, you still have the same like USB, but then you also have the phone and some extra storage down below. There's also a couple more shelves right here. I love it because they add just a little extra, and you have a little outlet here as well. They got a big desk right here. I love the pattern on the chair. Look at how cool that is. So you've got in here, you have like your blow dryer, and then you have a bunch of other drawers along with a little mini fridge. You also have a bunch of outlets and some light switches to control some of the lights. You have your couch, which will also be where the third person can sleep in this room. And now let's check out the best part, the balcony. So on your door, you are going to have a child safety lock that you can use. And here is how to open your door. You're just going to pull it right up and then slide it out. You're going to have a chair here, a little table, and then another chair right here. And each of them will also come with a little footstool. Look at this. You can see right into Surfside. It's so pretty at night. I love all the lights. And during the day, you can also see the ocean. You can't see it right now, but during the day, it's really pretty. Now let's check out the bathroom. First off here, we have the sink area with some great shelving down here, along with a trash can, as well as this drawer. I love how they've made use of this. And of course, you've got your toilet and some shelves right over there. We're also going to check out the shower. This is an interesting door. It actually folds in just like this. It's a different style that I've seen here on Royal before. And then you're gonna have your shower wand. It is adjustable, so you can lower it or raise it. You also have some great shelves right over here. They do have just a hair and body wash. So if you want something a little fancier, I would recommend bringing your own. But they also have a cute little bench here. And that is a room tour of 11333 here on the Icon of the Seas. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and maybe found it a bit helpful, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!